packages over here. Cute is it? Your plants inside room, the AC room. My breakfast is finally ready. These are the protein pancakes or protein tikkis I wanted to make for my today's Sunday breakfast. And then I have my cold coffee here. This is some new coffee that we're gonna try out soon. It's actually quite hot. guys, I'm just getting ready for filming this another video right now for you all, which is 50 random and weird facts about me wala video that I asked you people about last day, and you all wanted me to film it. Like, I think 90% of you people wanted me to film it and post it for you guys, like a chatty sit and talk wala video. So the kind of response you people have given me on my last Q&A video, I was really happy and thankful about it. Like, I have received mostly positive comments over there, so I was really happy for whatever response I've gotten on that video. I was not really expecting that video to cross 1k views, but it did, and I'm like really happy about that. So whatever, I'm right now getting ready for another one, and I was actually feeling super sleepy. I just wanted to take an hour long nap, but then I decided that no, we are not taking a nap today. We are instead filming this video because I've promised you guys. So I'm getting ready a little, and yeah, I've put on this cute little top. This is a very beautiful, nice little crop top from Myntra. I don't remember the brand, but yeah, it's really cute. And this fly is annoying me so much. So that's all for now. I'm gonna go into my other room, the AC room, and I'll just, sit into a nice little setup, and then I'll just start filming. It's so hot in this room right now because I've not turned on my fan. And yeah, that's all the update for now. I think I'm all ready. I don't really want to put on a lot of makeup because I don't like wearing a lot of makeup, and this is all what we're doing to our face, I believe. I'm all ready, guys, to start filming this 50 random and weird facts about me wala video for you, and I really hope you people enjoy watching it. So let's just head on to our other room and start filming the video because we are looking all pretty and we are all happy and we are all excited for the same. So let's just start with it. Guys, I'm so mad, like so mad right now because I just came to this room 10 minutes back, and I just turned on the AC so as to get the room a little cool before I started filming and everything. And then I even had set the tripod and everything, like pura frame set kar liya tha, and then light chala gaya. And I've been waiting at this point for past 10 minutes ki light aa jaye, but light nahi aa raha hai. And I'm so mad because I don't have time. It's 5 p.m. already, and I really wanted to film this video for you guys today so that I could post it the coming week and everything. Oh my god, like I'm so mad. Like usually light jata nahi hai, but since it's monsoon and it might be possible that the rain happens in like 5-10 minutes, it's already really cloudy outside, so that might be the reason ki light chala gaya. And I don't think so bhi light aane wala hai, so I'm just really mad, and I think I would have to change into my ghar ka clothes now to continue with the vlog, and I'm not able to film this video for you guys today, so I'm really sorry. You would have to wait a little longer for the same, but it's not my fault. I just cannot film in this loud noisy fan ka noise. Like it's just not possible for me कि मैं इसमें बैठ के 50 random facts वाला video film करूँ, because then the quality of the video is gonna turn really horrible, and I don't want to give you people that shitty kind of sound quality video. So that's that. Look at the clouds in the sky. It's so dark, and it's definitely gonna rain in no time. It's already really windy. Oh my god. Guys, we have successfully failed at filming our 50 random facts about me wala video, but then I remembered I have these 4 packages over here, like from Amazon and from Nykaa. So I would be really happy to unbox all of these packages in front of you. So let's just start with the tiniest one. It's from Nykaa, and I have honestly forgotten about everything that I've ordered from Nykaa, trust me, at this point, because I placed this order like long back, and then I don't really remember at all what all I remember okay, I remembered I placed an order for this cute little lip balm from Swiss Beauty, and oh my god, the packaging looks super cute. It's so cute, so tiny, and it's just fluorescent pink and like transparent fluorescent pink. It's packed with, like wrapped with like transparent sheet. I just cannot figure where is it. Can you just look how cute is it? It's so cute. Oh my god, I cannot believe it's so tiny and so cute looking. And it's more like a lipstick. I don't know what kind of lip balm is that, but it's so cute. So freaking cute. So freaking cute. I don't know. The second thing we have here is this very basic nail polish remover from Color Bar, and the next thing we have over here is this tiny little hand cream from Earth Rhythm. I was really excited for it because of the packaging. Like the tube looks really cute. Again, I got it just for the color and how cute it looked. I was really eager to get this one. I don't know why. So it's so tiny and so cute again. By the way, it's in the variant Ocean Breeze. It is enriched with ceramide, shea butter, and vitamin E. There's a pretty nice little fragrant smell to it. It just feels and smells really fresh. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this second box from Nykaa consists of only one thing over here, that is a huge bottle from Dove. It's their body wash in rose soothing Dove Go Fresh body wash, rose and aloe vera variant, whatever. Like I wanted this huge bottle to get this time because I always run out of my body wash like so quickly, and it was on a huge offer as well, so I thought why not. Okay, um wait, it's cute, but it will definitely get dirty with like stains and everything super quickly. So it's this tiny little lunch box cover or bag, you may say, that I wanted to get. I'm not happy about the quality, how the threads are coming out of places and all. So it's really not something I was looking forward to, but at the same time the bag looks super cute with the print of this tiny little cat over here, like sleepy cat. And because जो मेरा अभी का lunch box का bag है that I carry to my office, वो पूरा खराब हो गया. It has started tearing apart from like all the edges, all the sides, and so I wanted to get a new one. And this has this lining of I don't know what is this material, basically to keep your food warm. So yeah, like all the foil, and I don't know what seriously you call this material, like insulating material or something to keep your food warm. So it's like really cute. I know it would get really dirty in no time, but at the same time it's looking cute to me, so I'm definitely keeping this. And the last box is this huge one. Okay, it has gotten these two hanging planters in some plastic material, but it is not plastic, it is something better than plastic. I believe it is VIP Plastics. No, that is the name of the company, but it is definitely not like just plastic, and you can basically hang it on places and keep your plants inside it, like the money plant or the snake plant, or I don't know, like something like even artificial plants. So I just wanted to get these to hang on my indoor window to put like my money plant situation inside it. I was just wanting something like that, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it because I'm not much happy with the quality. Okay, this is the window that I was talking to you guys about. This is how they are looking. I'm not really sure if I'm liking the vibe or the way they are looking on the window hanging here, but I've kept my tiny little money plant with its original glass beaker or glass flask in which it survives and thrives and everything. So yeah, this is not exactly how I wanted to keep it, but this is how it looks for the time being, and I'll still see if I want to keep it or return it, okay?